to Meredith Depot, Staten Island Division, located in the Chelsea section of Staten Island near West Shore Plaza. The current fleet for Meredith is Prevost X345. Just think Manhattanville Depot. Here are the routes served for Meredith Depot. Keep in mind that these routes are actually shared with Charleston, Castleton, and Yukon depots. But yes, Meredith is strictly all Prevost. Another fact about this depot is that not only it provides express service only, but they also operate only on weekdays and also during rush hours. Meredith began service in 2009. However, Meredith isn't supposed to be a depot to begin with. It all started with the 2004-2005 capital plan, which the plan includes a new Staten Island depot known as Charleston Depot, which was the plan for over 30 years. Finally, in 2005, plans for Charleston were revealed, but you guys are wondering what's Charleston got to do with Meredith? The answer is this. Yukon and Castleton express buses were overcrowded. So MTA decides to purchase a vacant lot on Meredith Avenue to store the Yukon and Castleton buses. The plan was to do that, build a depot for drivers of both depots to report in. But someone at the MTA had a better idea. Turn that storage yard into a depot while Charleston was under construction. Thus, Meredith was born. As for the current logo sticker, well, that too didn't came to be. The original logo was supposed to be a D4500 CT with the Verrazano Bridge as a background. Instead, someone either was in a hurry or a kid created said sticker, because it looked as if the D4500 flew off the bridge and into the Staten Island Ferry. But finally, MTA had a better logo. Those two D4500s represent the buses of Yukon and Castleton's, while Charleston was being built. Though the buses returned to Yukon, Castleton, and now the finished Charleston, Meredith is left with the new Prevost, which is cool. The routes of Meredith are shared with the three Staten Island depots. Overall, not much is said about Meredith. The MTA did a good job improvising while Charleston was under construction. As for Meredith, the land is under a 15-year lease with the option to cancel, meaning once the lease is up, the MTA has the option to either renew or shut the depot down. But with the rise of service between Staten Island and Manhattan, I highly doubt that's going to happen anytime soon. As for maintenance, I read that it's light, and I noticed that they will show up at either Staten Island depots for service. Since it's pretty much not much going on about Meredith, this depot gets an A for effort. Other than that, Meredith is pretty much a babysitter while Charleston Depot is being constructed. If you guys have any more information about Meredith, feel free to comment below. Until then, this is Shadow signing off. See you next time.
Thank you for visiting Shadow Productions 85. If you like what you saw, click on the happy blue button in the middle to subscribe, or click either video for more content. See you next time.